come on, look after me. Every time when I look after me, come on, look after me. Every time when I look after me, come on, look after me. Every time when I look after me, come on, look after me. Every time when I look after me, like you say, blast, all like fires. Looking so surprise.
Poverty is a disease.
Poverty is a disease.
Poverty is a disease.
Only you guys knew the struggle we just went through to get on this plane. But best believe we are gonna relax.
I'll tell you something, dirty December will not happen without us.
But yeah, the flight is about to take off soon, so see you in Dubai. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha, and if this is your first time stopping by, please subscribe. So I'm currently in Dubai right now. It's like 4 a.m. and I'm actually leaving for the airport right now. So we did a layover for just a few hours. So we're heading to Ghana right now. So yeah, we're pretty much all packed and ready. We weren't here for that long. So we just stayed in the hotel, ate dinner. We were by the pool. Like, we were just chilling, to be honest. Like, we didn't even get to really explore Dubai. But that's fine because I would love to make it a separate trip. But so far, everyone here is so hospitable and just so welcoming. And yeah, it's been a really nice experience. So this is the airport fit that I never showed. It's just this little cardigan top that I've had for a little while. And then I have this little tank top under it to keep me warm. And then these like cream color wool pants that I got from Zara. And then I also had my Crocs on with this. So very comfy, casual vibes. So the flight is about 8 hours. So yeah, I'm probably gonna sleep through it because since our flight is 4 a.m. we didn't really sleep much because we didn't want to risk missing the flight. So yeah, I'm just gonna sleep the entire time. But yeah, we're gonna head to the airport now. We're probably gonna end up eating breakfast there while we wait for our flight. And yeah, I will see you in Ghana hopefully. So yeah, we're getting ready.
We're gonna come back to Dubai, inshallah, one day.
See you guys in Ghana. So we are finally home. Give you a little house tour. Say hi, mister. Hello. Hey vlog. Hello vlog. So this is the mini unofficial house tour. This is the living room. This is our first time in the house, by the way, because my family just moved here. Man, it is so nice. I'm guessing this is the little dining room here. We got a little kitchen back here. You know, fridge. Now we'll go upstairs. Okay, now this is the house from up here. Are you guys here?
Yeah, this is your room.
Ooh, this is me and Johanna's room.
Look at the bathroom. The bathroom is the...
Ooh, we got the bathroom. Got the bathroom.
Nice!
This is Hanan's room.
Yes!
The lights are off. Is this the light switch? Yeah. This is the other room. And this is her bathroom as well. This is our balcony.
The look back pose.
Not the look back pose.
Yeah. Oh, this is where the pool's gonna be.
This is where they're gonna build the pool eventually. We have this rice here that my mom slash aunt makes for us, and it is our favorite. So my face wash broke in my bag because TSA is very disrespectful. So we're trying to find face wash at the mall right now. So we ended up going with Cetaphil because they don't have CeraVe here. But yeah, we're in the pharmacy about to check out. I am still very jet lagged right now, but I just ended up throwing on this t-shirt I wore yesterday because I didn't want to dirty any new clothes. Some shorts and flip-flops. Hi everyone, so it is the next day right now. I didn't really vlog yesterday because we were so tired. We were literally traveling for like 2 days, so I was exhausted, but we actually ended up going out at night, like later in the night. But yeah, I just didn't vlog because I was just not feeling it. But I feel so much better right now. I feel rejuvenated, and yeah, it's actually like late afternoon right now because we slept like all morning. But right now we're going out for lunch at one of our favorite places. We're going to Coco Vanilla. We've been there a bunch of times. Like, I love that place. Like, the vibes are immaculate, so we're just gonna go get some good food. And yeah, that is pretty much the day for now. But I wanted to show you my outfit. So I have this like cute little, it's like a very basic bareback top from Motel Rocks. It's like a crop top, and then I also have this little silk skirt to go with it. I thought it would match my hair a little bit. And then I have this Marc Jacobs crossbody bag. It's like a jade green. I was thinking about wearing a bag that kind of matched the outfit, but I did want something with a pop of color, so yeah, we're gonna go with this. But yeah, and I'm just wearing my sandals, and that is the outfit. So luckily Coco Vanilla is only like a 15-minute drive for us, so it's not far, and our family left a car for us, which is really nice because usually when we come to Ghana we'd have to worry about Ubers and cabs, and it's sometimes hard to get. But since we all drive now, we can have the car, which is really nice because yeah, we don't have to depend on anyone to take us anywhere. But yeah, I am really happy to be here. The weather is so warm. It's like 90 degrees outside, so I only have concealer on. I put some brow gel and like, you know, mascara, lip gloss, and I'm just gonna save the beat face for nighttime when the sun isn't out. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Oh, and I almost forgot, I got this perfume from Dubai last night, and I love it. It's literally this scent called X&S Pure Night, and it has like a very woodsy, masculine scent. Sometimes Arab perfumes can be a little strong for me, but this one is just perfect. Like, it's very light, airy, just very fresh. So yeah, I got it for $55 US, not bad at all. This is our car for the trip. Isn't this car so cute? But yeah, we out here driving ourselves around in Ghana.
By force.
Right. I would love to Uber everywhere, but
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning.
So we just ordered our food right now, and they actually have an event here later tonight, so the whole upstairs is clear, so we're literally here by ourselves.
And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them around come. Me I fit to turn them down anywhere we go.
Good morning, everyone, or technically afternoon. So yesterday was so much fun. We went to this place called Garage. It's a really cool spot. That was like our first time there, even though I think it's been around for a little while. But yeah, it was good vibes. I even saw people I knew. Like, it was really fun. So right now we're about to head to see one of our aunts. We're visiting her just to give her some of the stuff that we brought for her from the US. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I haven't eaten breakfast, so I'm probably gonna go get something right now. And yeah, I don't really know how today's gonna go. We might go out to lunch together. Don't know yet. Are we going out to lunch?
Yeah. Maybe.
Okay, yeah, we're probably going out to lunch. And that's about it. And then we're gonna go out at night too, so stay. The drip, that's where we're going. Drip tonight. I think it's drip at Pitch, right? Yeah, drip at Pitch. So that's where we're going tonight. And yeah, this is so far soon. Right, see y'all soon. Ghana has been such a vibe so far, so
my baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray.
we finally got to Papaya. We literally never come to Ghana without eating this. Like, it is so good.
My favorite.
Yeah, we got the 2 fried chicken with fried rice. No, it is nostalgic. So we just finished eating right now. We're gonna visit my aunt real quick because we haven't seen her since we got here. But yeah, Papaya is so good. I don't even know if you can see it. But yeah, it's so beautiful out tonight. The weather is amazing. So Hopefully the rest of the night will go well. I've literally had to do this anytime I'm taking pictures because the house has good lighting, but it's very high, like it's not in your face lighting, so everywhere just looks so dark. But I am so obsessed with this look right now. Like, okay, let me try to figure out an angle. Okay, so this is the best that I could do, but I got this dress from, I think Pretty Little Thing or Misguided, one of those stores. And yeah, I just love this with the hair. I can't really show the room too much because it's kind of a mess. I'm in my cousin's room right now, but it goes all the way, yeah, as you can see, lots of makeup. But it goes all the way to my ankles. It's like ruched, and I love the little cutout detail here. So pretty. But right now we are going to an event. It's called Drip, I think, Drip at Pitch. So yeah, we're gonna go there. So some of my cousins from the US are here too, so we're actually meeting up. Some of them are downstairs, and yeah, we're gonna have a little cousins night out. I just love this outfit. If I don't get pictures in this, I'm gonna cry. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get some pictures because we're actually leaving very, very soon. But I will see you all later. Enjoyments.
I'm just gonna show you guys the close-up of what they have. They have not one, not two, not three, but 4 fireworks going. And we're gonna see the big show once they light it.
Oh my god, it literally scared me. Got our pink berry. I got cookies and cream with sprinkles, Oreos, and I forgot what else. Chocolate chips.
They make you bless my way, as I know we like so.
Hi everyone, so it is like 1 a.m. right now, and I'm just coming on to film an outro because I realized that I didn't really talk in a lot of like this day's clip. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm trying to vlog more in Ghana, so this isn't the only one. Like, I definitely intend to do more of them. But yeah, this was just like my first few days here, so it's probably not going to be as long just because I didn't do as much. But yeah, so far I've been having so much fun. And yeah, I just can't wait for all of the great things that we're gonna hopefully do while we're here. So please like, comment, and subscribe. I post videos every Monday at 3 p.m. So please put the bell notification on so you can know whenever I post. And I hope that everyone is staying safe, taking care of their mental health, and I'll see you in my next vlog.